So do you remember that laser machine that could zap the shattered glass off of an iPhone in just a few minutes?
There's the Refox soldering lugs. These are pre-made jumpers and pads that make these type of repairs so much easier to deal with.
This is our Refox DFE.
También mostrándoles esta herramienta que... Un brazo que se estira, una manguera que me gusta bastante porque se acomoda a la función que usted quiera.
They also sent me this really cool t-shirt and this soldering fume extractor that's got more sucking power than your mom.
You could do more repairs to make more money. It is for sure an investment, but it may pay itself off. I believe watching this slowly print out is actually quite satisfying. After it's completed, you can see the final result. As far as